Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my class. Today we are discussing about software development life cycle. Now we are covering these contents. What is SDLC? Phase of the software development life cycle. Requirement collection, defining phase, designing phase, building or coding phase, testing phase, deployment phase and the maintenance phase. Let's get started. What is SDLC? One of the fundamental procedures of developing software in a step-by-step manner is by the following the software development lifecycle. SDLC is a popular practice that is followed by the different organizations for designing and developing high-quality software applications. It acts as a framework that holds some specific tasks to achieve at every phase during the software development progression. Phase of the software development lifecycle. Ideation. Brainstorming ideas that solve the particular problem faced by the target users. Requirements. Interacting with the stakeholders and the users to collect and the documents project's requirements. Design. Creating the architecture of a software system and its elements. Development. Building the software using the programming language by the developer. Testing. Evaluation is a quality of software with the aim of the finding fixing defects. Deployment. Preparing the software to run and operate in a specific environment. Maintenance. Updating the supporting to the software after it has been delivered to the market. Fast phase. Requirement collection and the planning phase. This phase is gathered the initial phase to the customers. This information gets collected the business analyst for their target customers and plans the BRS business requirement specification for the development to the products. The team of all the designers of BA will brainstorming to extract the requirements and the plan accordingly for the new system to develop. Some popular question that is meeting picks up are who will use the products. First must be output data by the products. Second phase, defining and the flexibility study phase. When the BRS documentation is done, there is another set of employees like human research, finance analyst, architecture, and the business analyst leads, as well as the project manager will sit jointly, discuss as well as the analyze how the process whatever the flexible procedure allotted the budget. Such discussions are taken depending on the cost, resource, time, etc. Documentation is made, which is SRS documents, which is contains the details explained of the product's requirements right from design to develop. Third phase, designing phase. This phase design the specific organization documents when the project approves the further. The phase contributes to take the phase of the development. This phase totally blueprint from the product, which helps to specify the hardware and the requirement to your system as well as assist the crafting and the specification architectures of your system. Fourth phase, building or coding phase. As well as we are preparing the documents, this phase deals the developer and the writing code prepare the engineer. So the prototype of the product can be created using the specific tools techniques. This considers the longest phase of SDLC. Fifth phase, testing phase. As your product is prepared for deployment, it needs to prior testing environment by the test engineer to check bugs, runtime errors. They check the phase whatever the functionality products working the requirement or not. The bugs defect who is incorrect in the test phase reported the developer who fixed the bug revert to the test engineers for the further testing. This is the interactive process to continuous until the application free from the bugs and defects from work stably. Sixth phase, deployment phase. One of the prototype or products developed, tested and the completed working from as per as the requirement and the install developed in the customer workplace system for their use. seventh phase, maintenance phase. This is an additional phase, and in many cases this phase does not come under the count of AJLC. When your customers begin using your product and they encounter with some issues which they want us to fix for time to time, the developer fixes the issues and the software tests the products and hand it over back the customers. That's all for the time being. Thank you.